A perfect 100 drive score, and it's hiding in a sector nobody's watching. Gainster found it, and today I'm breaking down exactly why this stock market setup matters right now. This is your drive score update for May 5th, 2026 US Eastern Time.
Market overview.
We're sitting in a confirmed uptrend. The green light is on. But here's the nuance. Out of 7 stocks on our watch list, only 1 scored above 80 for a green drive rating, while 6 sit in the yellow zone. 3 distribution days are on the books, so this isn't a reckless all-in environment. Think of it as a market that's giving you permission to swing, but only at the best pitches. If you want these drive score breakdowns delivered daily, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a setup.
Today's headlines.
Albemarle, ticker ALB, is approaching its Quan earnings release and analysts are turning bullish. Zacks is highlighting the specialty chemicals giant as a play heading into the report with lithium demand narratives shifting. This earnings catalyst could be the spark that sends ALB through its cup with handle breakout level.
Meanwhile, Wall Street is crunching numbers ahead of MKS Instruments Quant report ticker. MKSI, our top pick today, has analysts setting their estimates for key metrics. Earnings season is when drive scores get stress tested in real time, and this one's sitting at a perfect 100.
And in the trucking space, Zacks is comparing ArcBest against Saia, ticker SAIA, asking which is the better value. Saia landed on our spotlight list today with a 70 drive score and a clean cup with handle pattern. So let's see how it stacks up later in the show. Stock spotlights.
First up, Albemarle, ticker ALB drive score 70, relative strength 95. That RS rating is elite. The cup carved a bottom at $154.69. Climbed back to 232 cents past 200, and now the handle is resting at 187.33. Breakout trigger sits at 232 cents with earnings on deck. This one's a coiled spring in the specialty chemical space.
Next, XPO Logistics, ticker XPO drive score 70, RS84. This integrated freight play carved a cup from 212.71 down to 177.56 and back up to 231.46. The handle pulled back to 199.15. Today, it popped almost 3%. Momentum is building toward that 231 breakout level.
Saia, ticker SAIA, drive score 70, RS77. The trucking name drew a deep cup from 417.85 all the way down to 308.92. That's a serious shakeout. It rallied back to 457.99 with the handle at 403.34. Today, it surged 3.1%. The breakout above 457.99 would confirm the pattern.
NOV Inc, ticker NOV, serves the oil and gas equipment sector. Drive score 60, RS80. It's a lower priced name at $20.12 with a tight cup from 2086 down to 1782 and back to 2093. Handle at 1963, breakout above 2093, a tidy, compact setup.
Phillips 66, ticker PSX, drive score 60, RS80. This oil refining giant is carving a double bottom with lows at 149.14 and 153.58. The neckline trigger sits at 190.61 at 180. Today, it's about 5.5% from triggering. Patience is the play here. If this analysis is saving you research time, smash that like button. It helps more traders discover these setups.
Today's top pick.
MKS Instruments, ticker MKSI, a perfect 100 drive score. This hardware and equipment maker is like a pressure gauge that's been quietly climbing to the red line. The cup formed from 269.91, dropped to a floor at 250 cents, then rebuilt all the way to 294.05. The handle shook out weak hands at 261.23. Breakout is right at 294.05. Relative strength at 96 puts it in the top tier. The industry group in hardware and equipment parts is showing rotation interest with earnings estimates in focus. A breakout above 294 could accelerate fast on volume. The risk today, it pulled back 3.1%. If the handle undercuts 261, the pattern weakens.
Here's my question for you with only one green drive score on the board. Are you waiting for more setups or pulling the trigger on MKSI? Drop your answer in the comments.
Honourable Mentions. Here's the rest of the watch list, scrolling through 7 names total on the board today. Keep an eye on XPO and SAIA in particular. Both trucking and logistics names popped today with almost 3% gains each. If the confirmed uptrend holds, these yellow zone stocks could ripen into green territory quickly.
Here's what I'm thinking. One perfect score in a sea of yellows tells you the market is selective right now. It's rewarding precision, not enthusiasm. The best stocks to buy now in May 2026 are the ones where pattern, momentum, and fundamentals all agree tomorrow. Watch whether MKSI holds that handle or breaks above 294. That move could set the tone for the whole hardware sector. This has been Gainster. Trade smart, stay patient, and I'll see you next session.